In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. We'll start from the home screen, choose the right HR template, and then walk through how to adapt it for recruiting and hiring, all the way to marking someone as hired. From the home view, begin by creating something new. Look for the blue plus button at the top. This is your shortcut to adding a new item to your workspace. Click it, and instead of creating a blank board, open the Template Center. Templates give you a big head start with ready-made structures designed specifically for common HR workflows. Inside the Template Center, use the left-hand panel to find the HR category. If you don't see it right away, hover and scroll until HR appears, then select it. You'll now see a collection of HR templates. Take a moment to browse and find the one that fits your needs. You'll notice options like a recruitment process board for managing candidates, an employee lifecycle package that covers broader HR processes, a new employee onboarding board for tracking day one readiness, and employee engagement surveys for gathering feedback. Each option is built to solve a different HR scenario, so choose the one that aligns with your current priorities. For this walkthrough, let's pick the recruitment process template. Open its details to review the features. This is a useful pause before installing anything. The details page shows the board structure, what columns are included, and example workflows, so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're confident it's a match, click Use Template. Monday.com will generate the board in your workspace and drop you into a working view you can immediately customize. You'll land on a board that includes a group called New Applicants. This is where you'll track candidates who are just entering the pipeline. Let's explore its key columns. In the Position column, click the existing value. Maybe it shows a default like R&D and change it to something relevant, such as marketing. Updating these drop-downs helps keep your data clean and consistent across the entire funnel. Next, move to the Source column. Click the current value, for example website, and switch it to a more specific option like referral from website. Being precise with sources pays off later when you analyze which channels bring the best candidates. You'll also see stage-specific columns like resume, phone interview, and in-person interview. Open one of these status cells and set it to Working on it. These status chips are color-coded and make it easy to see where a candidate stands at a glance. You can always rename statuses or adjust colors later to match your team's language. Now, slide to the right on the board to reveal additional columns. If you're using a trackpad or mouse, you can scroll horizontally to discover more fields, such as offer sent, contract, and document progress. These columns help you manage the later stages of hiring. Go ahead and update offer sent to working on it when you begin coordinating the offer details. Keeping these milestones accurate will make handoffs between recruiters and hiring managers smoother. When a candidate accepts and you're ready to transition them into the team, navigate to the hired group on the same board. This group is designed for post-offer tracking and handover to onboarding. Click the position cell here and assign the appropriate role. Again, you can choose something like marketing or any department relevant to your organization. This simple update confirms the role the new hire is joining and keeps your records synchronized across all stages. That's the workflow from template selection to hiring. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Rename groups and columns to match your processes. Keep status updates timely so dashboards stay trustworthy, and use consistent options in dropdowns so your reports are accurate. With the recruitment process template in place, you've built a clear, repeatable path from application to offer to hire, all inside Monday.com.